Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to show different banner images on mobile and on desktop in Shopify. In order to do this, if you're in the home page, you need to click on Store and then click on Themes. And then over here, you're going to click on Customize. Now currently we're having one image banner. We're going to need to create another one using the Add section. So we're going to click on Add section and then we have image banner and you can see it just looks like the one we have. So we're going to click on it. Now it appears after featured product. We just need to move this above it. To do that, we just need to move the featured collection and slide it down. And now it's going to be underneath it. So we have the two pictures appearing before the featured products. And that's what we want so far. So basically the first one will be for the desktop and the second one will be for the mobile version. Now firstly, in order to change the pictures, we just need to go over to it and double click on it. And we have the first and second image. So we're going to change that now. To do that, we just need to click on Explore Free Images if you don't have any image. And we're going to select this. And then we're going to take this one. And now we have that. Looks good. So we'll click on Select down here. And when we go back, we can see that the second image is this and the first image is this. Of course, we can also change this by double clicking on it. And then we're going to select Free Images again. And we'll select this, Men's Fashion. And we'll go for this. If you're satisfied with that, you can go ahead and click on Select. And then go back to the image banner area where we have our template showing the first and the second image. So when we tap on the first image, we can have this. And when we tap on the second one, we're going to have this. Of course, we could decide to delete all of this by clicking on it, selecting it, and we're going to delete it, doing the same thing for this one. And we could just say anything we want. So after clicking on it, we're going to come over to the left sidebar and change the naming. Of course, when we're done selecting our pictures, now we have our pictures. The next thing is to put in some code. Now we have a code snippet to paste. Now we're going to select this banner, the first one, and we're going to click on it. Then we'll need to scroll down to where we have custom CSS and we can paste the code snippet here. Now, when we go over to the mobile view, we expect this to disappear and only this should show. So we're going to click on mobile and you can see now it's just the mobile view that is showing and the other picture for the desktop is not showing because you're on mobile now. So we're going to go back to desktop, and in order to make only this to show for PC, we're going to have to put another code snippet for this image banner. So we're going to go back, click on image banner, scroll down, come over to custom CSS, and we're going to paste a different code to make this happen. So now we have this code, and as you can see already, it's made its difference. And now we're in desktop, but when we go back to mobile, we have the picture for the mobile. And when we go back to desktop, we have a different picture. Now these code snippets will be in the description below for you to use. After that's done, you just need to click on save. And now the changes are saved. And once again, if you click on mobile, you can see the mobile version. And if you click on desktop, you can see a different image. So this is how to show different banner images on mobile and on desktop in Shopify.